All right, everyone. So we are going to start out on the northeast side of the square, right behind the Sharon Morse building. That's what you're looking at right now as we spin around. Now, Spanish Springs is talking about second floor apartments coming to the square. Not nearly as many as Brownwood, but it's going in front of the Lady Lake Commission October 5th, which is today if you're watching the video when it first comes out. The villages are maintaining the idea that they're invested in Spanish Spring Square and the continued growth. You can actually see right here, this used to be 2J's straight in front of us, but 2J's has closed down since the pandemic happened. They were not doing very well like many businesses during this time. I actually used to walk across the street and have lunch there every day when I worked at MVP, because MVP is right here on the right across the street. As of now, they don't have any plans to tear down any of the buildings in this square. Katie Bell's right there. They would be making, I believe, 7 apartments upstairs. And what they're saying is that the apartments would create more parking in the square. Apartments would still be age restricted. There's the other restaurant right there, Demshar's, with the green overhangs. That restaurant also has closed. So like I was saying, the apartments would be age restricted. A lot of people, they're worried about having apartments come to the areas, crime and things like that, but the age restriction and all that type of stuff actually reduces that. It's still villages living, and many current residents are the ones that would be moving into those apartments. They're renovating the movie theater and the debut of the Sharon Morse. They're trying to keep Spanish Springs at the forefront and just as nice as the other squares. As we come in, you can see the La Riena building straight in front of us, or the La Reina building. I'm not sure how you say it, but that's the tallest building right there, and that's where MVP Health Club is. Now, when they're talking about second floor apartments, I'm not sure if they're talking about actually taking a floor away from MVP. Maybe they take the top floor, because the middle floor is all massage, and the top floor is actually just the health, like the equipment and things like that. So I'd wonder if they would move everything down one floor and then the top floor would be apartments. That would be interesting. The movie theater is straight in front of us right now. They're doing renovations to that. And actually on the square on October 4th, which was Sunday night, they did, right in this little area, they did a prayer for President Trump, where probably a couple hundred villagers came out and had candles and lit candles, and they said a prayer, for all of the victims thus far of COVID-19. It was really a nice gesture, I thought. I went out there and did a little video. If you stay till the end, that video is actually at the end. We're going to spin around here. You can see some of the AC units that they've taken down from the movie theater right here. There's more to the right there that they're doing with construction wise with the movie theater. It'll be nice once it's going. And then this is the hotel. So a lot of the visitors can come into the hotel, visit their family and all that. And then we're going to fly back over the square, and then we're going to go see Hacienda. So the village just doesn't believe that this will affect any of the rec centers or anything like that, like not the pools, it's not going to overflow them, and that it will actually open up a couple hundred parking spaces. Apparently Katie Bell's restaurant needed about 209 parking spaces, and that was just between employees and people come to the restaurant, where the apartments would only take maybe a couple dozen all through the square. I'll show you the Hacienda Hills, the actual rec center for this area. We're going to fly over there and you'll be able to see it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay till the end if you want to see the President Trump stuff and the candlelight prayer for him and the other victims of COVID-19. Hope everybody has a great day, and as always, subscribe if you haven't, like, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.
Around here.
Thank you very much. I would now like to ask for a moment of silence for all the people that have died from the virus